Yeah, that's you have the habits, no?
Yeah.
Find confidence in the traffic system. By green you can drive, no?
Okay.
30. The yellow stripes on the ground is have the priority, yeah? The white stripes are not visible, are not valid. And go on the right side. Then we have two lines, and we only use the right line. And now we turn right, please. So now, this sign you know. Let them know that you wait. Let them know that you wait. Look in. Okay, nobody there. Then you can drive. Okay? Good. Yeah, exactly. No? There's no place enough. Then we wait. On the next lamp, we turn left. And here we have also two lines. You can see the stop line.
Yeah.
Yeah? And we take this one. Yeah? Go to the stop line. Go to the stop line.
Which one?
Wait, what
This
is a
one.
stop line?
This is.
This is a stop line, the white line.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, please. What are you doing? We have two lines here. Right? Left. Yeah?
Yeah.
And now we are turning left.